You want freedom? The kind of freedom where you call the shots, where your time is truly your own? Imagine waking up every day knowing that you control your schedule, your projects, and your future. You want to be your own boss? Freelancing is the answer. It's not just a job, it's a lifestyle. Picture yourself working from a cozy coffee shop or the comfort of your own home. No set schedule, work from anywhere. Whether it's a beach in Bali or a cabin in the mountains, your office is wherever you want it to be. It's the future of work, baby. The traditional 9-to-5 is becoming a thing of the past. More and more people are embracing the freelance lifestyle. Freelancing means you're the boss. You make the decisions, you set the rules, it's your business, your brand, you choose your projects, your clients, your hours, you control your destiny. Want to take a day off? Go ahead. Need to work late? That's your call. Think of your passions, your skills. What do you love to do? What are you good at? Turn those into your business. Turn those into your business. Create something that not only brings you joy, but also provides value to others. It's all about providing value, giving people what they need. Build relationships, deliver quality, and watch your business grow. Freelancing is hard work, no doubt, but the rewards, they're worth every bit of effort. The satisfaction of completing a project, the joy of a happy client, freedom, flexibility, and being your own damn boss. Imagine sipping coffee on a balcony knowing you did it all on your terms. What are you waiting for? The future is freelance. Take the leap, embrace the freedom, and start your journey today. First things first, what are you good at? Take a moment to reflect on your strengths and skills. Think about the tasks you excel at, the activities that come naturally to you. These are often the things you enjoy the most and can do effortlessly. Identifying your strengths is the first step in carving out a successful path. What do you love doing? Your passions and hobbies can often point you in the right direction. Whether it's painting, gardening, playing a musical instrument, or any other activity that brings you joy, these are clues to your potential career path. When you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work. Those are your money-making skills. The intersection of what you're good at and what you love doing is where you'll find your most valuable skills. These are the abilities that can turn into profitable ventures. Focus on honing these skills and turning them into marketable services. Don't be a jack of all trades, be a master of one. Specialization is key in today's competitive market. By focusing on one area and becoming an expert, you can offer unparalleled value and stand out from the crowd. Mastery takes time and dedication, but it's worth the effort. Pick a niche, become an expert. Find a specific area within your field that you are passionate about and dive deep into it. Read specialized books, attend workshops, and seek out mentors. The more knowledge and expertise you gain, the more valuable you become. It's easier to stand out and dominate. In a niche market, your expertise will shine brighter. You'll find it easier to attract clients and opportunities because your skills are in high demand. Standing out becomes second nature when you are a recognized expert in your field. Build a portfolio that showcases your best work. Your portfolio is a visual representation of your skills and accomplishments. Make sure it highlights your most impressive projects and demonstrates your expertise. A strong portfolio can open doors to new opportunities and clients. Think of it as your online resume. Make it shine. Your online presence is crucial in today's digital age. Customize your website, update your LinkedIn profile, and ensure that all your online platforms reflect your professional brand. A polished online resume can attract potential clients and collaborators. Remember, you're building a brand. Every piece of content you create, every interaction you have, contributes to your personal brand. Design a logo, create business cards, and develop branding materials that reflect your unique style and expertise. Consistency is key in building a strong brand. Be professional, be reliable, over-deliver every single time. Your reputation is built on the quality of your work and your reliability. Always strive to exceed expectations and deliver exceptional results. Positive feedback and satisfied clients will help you build a strong, trustworthy brand. Clients won't magically appear. You gotta hustle. Online platforms, social media, networking events, be everywhere. Tell everyone you know what you do. Word of mouth is powerful. Your network is your net worth. Don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients. Pitch your services, show them the value you bring. Remember, provide value first. Give away free advice, share your expertise, build relationships, the clients will follow. Section 4. Show me the money, setting rates and getting paid. Know your worth. Don't undervalue your skills. Research industry standards, set competitive rates, be clear about your payment terms up front. Contracts are your friend. Protect yourself, get it in writing. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Be confident but reasonable. Find a win-win situation for both parties. Remember, you're running a business. Track your income and expenses. Manage your finances like a boss. Section 5. Tools of the trade managing your freelance business. In this section, we will explore the essential tools and strategies that can help you streamline your freelance business and make it more efficient. So many tools, so little time. It can be overwhelming to manage everything, but with the right approach, you can turn this chaos into a well-oiled machine. Use technology to your advantage. Project management, invoicing, and time tracking tools are your best friends. They help you keep track of deadlines, manage your finances, and ensure that you are always on top of your game. Communication, there's an app for that. Stay organized, stay efficient. Tools like Slack, Trello, and Asana can help you keep in touch with clients and manage your tasks effectively. Time is money, use it wisely. Never stop learning. Invest time in learning new skills and staying updated with industry trends. This will not only make you more competitive but also open up new opportunities. The freelance world is always changing. Stay informed by reading industry news, attending webinars, and participating in online communities. This will help you stay ahead of the curve, stay ahead of the game, adapt, and thrive. You got this. Embrace change and be flexible in your approach. The ability to adapt is what will set you apart from the competition. Freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, dedication, and a long-term vision. Don't get discouraged by short-term setbacks. Focus on your long-term goals. Be patient, be persistent, and you will succeed. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small and keep pushing forward. Your hard work will pay off in the end.